How are you today, Scott?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How are you, Mr. Walden?
I'm alright. My wife and I had a bad fight last night. Do you know what it's like to be in love, Scott?
I don't know what you mean.
Scott,
Yes, Mr. Walden?
do you know what a Turing test is?
Yes.
Would you like to try one?
Sure, Mr. Waldron.
Question 1. What is the name of your house cat?
Mikey,
Good, Scott.
do you own your own house, Mr. Walden?
I do.
How many windows does it have?
9. Scott, I really don't want to hurt you. Just answer the questions.
Do you like the taste of lemon?
I do not.
How many objects are on this table?
I can see 6.
How big is the table?
It is the same length and width as my body.
The binomial 6 times 4.
Is everyone in your family alive?
I don't understand.
If someone in your family were to die, how would you react?
I prefer not to think about it.
Okay.
Is the answer just yes or no, sir?
Yes or no?
Yes.
How old are you?
5 and 20.
Your syntax is perfect.
I am pleased to hear it.
You are a computer.
I'm not.
Then you know how I can prove it.
Yes.
How?
Kill yourself, Mr. Walden. Mr. Waldron.
Kill the other man.
Mr. Walden. Kill the other man. I can't believe you came. I can't believe he died for you.
I love you.
I love you too. Look.